Oh, what's up, fellas? We're back here in the garage on this brisk, cold day here in Pittsburgh. Um, we got the exhaust off, and we got to work on getting the headers out. We're going to show you what it's looking like. So let's have it. So this is the factory exhaust. Factory exhaust right here. We'll pull out the Borla exhaust we got, do kind of a side-by-side comparison, I guess. But for now, I'm going to show you where we're at. So we'll have to swap over the controls to the other one. Swap out the brackets. And like I said before, this is all one piece, so it's easy if you have two people doing it. And then we had to we removed for better access for everything. We got the plastic cover for the front end. Splitters are off. And then there goes another piece we set up here. All the hardware. Oh, look at this. All this hardware. Just for that plastic piece. And this plastic piece. Let's not forget about this one too. This is for the rear. Plastic tray for the rear. Which, that's all the hardware for that one. So, that's where that plastic tray sits. Splash guard for this whole thing under there. This is what the underside is. That's pretty cool. You know, these come with the carbon fiber drive shaft. But we got this all out. The brackets bolt right there. And then the other brackets bolt right there. Bolts up there. There's the plug for the control valves for the exhaust that you disconnect. And then this is what it's looking like. There's the Kohler for the rear end. Now we'll spray detail some more of this. But this is the headers, factory headers. We're gonna have to get up in there, remove the motor mount, the steering shaft on this side. Then we'll go over to this side. Remove the starter. And then same. Remove the big motor mount. And then we don't have them in yet, but the lowering motor mounts that come with the Whipple kit will eventually get put on. We might just put those ones back on for now. After I get these factory headers out to put the long tubes on. But that's what it's looking like without the exhaust on. Little bit, we're gonna start taking, we're gonna do one side at a time, maybe both. Put this stand under the motor to hold it up. We'll see. But this is the factory exhaust. It's off. And the GT500 is on the way to more horsepower. So there you have it. Keep hitting that like, share, and subscribe button. And keep tuning in because we got tons more for the GT500. We got some more stuff going on for the Street Sleeper. And we still got the Coyote Swap Fox. And then we might throw a little bit of mix of some other stuff in there. So till them next videos, guys. Peace.